I'm here to see Notch. I'm his ex-girlfriend.
Hey! Excuse me. Well, I'm the new girlfriend. What do you want?
Okay, I really need to discuss something urgent with him. Like, it's really important.
You want to see my man? Hey, it's the audacity for me.
Masnachi.
Notch. I came to see you. It's really important. I need us to talk, please.
Okay. Babe, all right, come inside.
She should come inside where, babe?
Babe, calm down now. Come inside.
I came all the way from Abuja for an interview. I've been calling my friend. She has not been picking. I don't have anywhere to go. You are the only one I know in Lagos. I don't know anywhere. And I don't have money for a hotel. I've spent a lot. Please, let me stay here for today. Once it's tomorrow morning, I'm out of here. Please, I promise.
You want to stay in my man's house? No, you want to stay in my man's house. See, let me just tell you, we are getting married and we are preparing for our marriage. We don't need any distractions at all. In fact, why don't you sleep under the bridge? No, why don't you sleep on the streets? Are your mates not sleeping on the streets? Babe, please tell her she's not sleeping here.
Are you kidding me right now? Now, I know you are trying to protect your home, but that's not the reason for you to ask your fellow woman to go and sleep outside. To go and sleep under the bridge. That's not fair now. See, both of us, we had a very good time when we were dating. But unfortunately, we wanted different things. So, we have to break up. Now she needs my help. And you want her to go and sleep outside. What is there? We have 4 bedrooms here. She can stay in one room. Tomorrow morning, you heard her. Tomorrow morning, she can leave. Masnachi, that room downstairs, you can use it. That's our visitor's room. You can use it. Go in there and shower. Tomorrow morning, get ready and go for your interview. Okay? Food will be ready very soon. I will bring food for you. All right? Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Babe, so you're going to allow your ex to stay in our house?
Right.
So this is how it is now, We're bringing exes to the house, Abby. Don't worry, my ex is coming from America next week. He's going to sleep in this house.
Jesus. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Confirm. Battle of exes. No wahala. If you come, take him to your own house. If you don't have house, let him sleep under the bridge or at the street.